show you how to use the dry and store to keep your hearing aids in good working order and get the best possible performance for the life of the hearing aids. First, you'll activate the dry brick by removing the foil cover and place it back in the unit. Next, you'll take the hearing aid and wipe any excess wax from the hearing instrument. You may leave batteries in, but open the battery doors for air circulation. Close the door and press the on-off button. The unit will turn off automatically when the cycle is done. With proper care, your hearing aids will enhance your hearing, communication, and quality of life for years to come. To schedule a free hearing evaluation and for answers to your questions, call us at the number below. And be sure to visit our website at hearingaidoctors.com, where you'll find more videos and articles about your hearing and hearing solutions.